Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing of a budget earphone, this time from Edifier. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Now this time the package is well protected. If you watch my other videos, you can see the earphone was nearly destroyed in the delivery. So let's see what we have. So this is the Edifier W200BT. There are two versions of these headphones, earphones. One is the neck earbuds, and the other one is a regular one. Basically the difference is one has a thicker unit over your neck, and the other one is just a wire hanging between your ears. From what I can see, this is not the neck unit, this is the regular unit, which has a higher command interface, and it's closer to your ear. It's also cheaper by $4. So let's get on with the unboxing. We have a tub here, very easy to unbox. Well protected case, and we are skipping to the open box. So we got a lot of adapters here. Oh, I can see there is a secure one and not secure one. So this is pretty nice, I didn't expect it. You have ear tips for sport with a secure section and an unsecure one. Let's open it up so you can see it better. There you go. So all kind of sizes with the secure option, without the secure option, and also I can see some wire secure section. We got a charging cable, which is not bad, you know. It's a meter long, I think, so it's could be usable. This is a micro USB charging cable, and the earphones. Let's take them out of the box. So we have here a pretty lightweight earphones, which is nice. Pretty small footprint, so it should be very good to take with you. And as you can see, this is the non-neck version. So you have a neck earphones version. This is the non one, which makes it I think more suitable maybe for sport, lower footprint, less weight on your neck, and you got this, I think, this little tiny thing that lets you even make it shorter and move a bit. I will see in the more full review of this earphones what exactly this thing should do. These earphones are graded IPX5, which is pretty good. It should sustain water splashing from all directions. You can see it well in this earphones constructions. The buttons are water resist, and also the charging port here, which it's a little bit tiny to my opinion, but should be okay. Is sealed too, so Water sealing is looking good. You have a magnetic drivers which should secure this around your neck in case you didn't use it. And the let's see these ear tips. You have the secure version of these ear tips, but I think you can take it away and use regular tips maybe. I don't know. Let's find out. So we're back, and I just checked if these secure section of the ear tip is removable, and yes it is, and you can just fit a regular ear tip or your own ear tip that's supplied with these earphones. So I like this, the fact that you don't have to use this thing, which annoys some people. Another nice thing about these earphones is the app. I didn't check it. I heard that people can't operate it, but I'll make an effort and see whether it's working or not. And let's try to connect these earphones to the phone. So let's see how fast this thing connects to my phone. So I guess you press the middle button. Nothing. There we go. I like the fact that the LED is very strong. And let's pair a new device. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1. There you go. Very fast pairing for this device. And now I'll hear some music, and I'll tell you what my first impression about these earphones, and are they comfortable and how they sound basically. And we're back. So surprise, surprise, these earphones, I really like the way they are sitting on your ears, neck. Really lightweight package. The earplugs are great. I have a pretty small ear canals and it fits just fine. Also, this tip is not that annoying, so I really like it. The sound is pretty good. You get a crispy highs, almost a little bit metal, but not too much. Bass is present and it's good. They have some loudness characteristic. You definitely don't need any equalizer if you have a good phone with these earphones, and the connection is very fast. Another surprise is the app. So I scan the QR code, and 15 seconds I have this app on my phone, which connected almost instantly. It recognized the product, and what you have on this app is pretty nice. You have a 4-way equalizer, rock, classic, pop, and I think it's blues, and you have the battery status, big and nice. And also you get all this option for repairing. You have a timer, which is very nice if you go to sleep or you somehow want it to stop. So you can time this. I think it's a very good option. And you have a user manual. So pretty complete package from Edifier. Good price, the latest technology, Bluetooth 5, CVC 8, very comfortable earphone for my opinion. So this was the short unboxing of these earphones, which surprisingly were better than I expected. Further on, I will make a more deeper impression of these earphones and maybe a sound sample. So if you want to see more of these, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, have fun, bye. Take me higher.